Jennie Kim, born January 16, 1996, known mononymously as Jennie, is a South Korean singer, rapper, songwriter, and actress. Born and raised in South Korea until 2004, Jennie later lived in New Zealand before returning to South Korea to successfully audition for YG Entertainment in 2010. She debuted as a member of BlackPink in August 2016. She made her acting debut under the stage name Jennie Ruby Jane in the 2023 HBO television series The Idol. In November 2018, Jennie released her debut single Solo, which topped South Korea's Circle Digital chart and the US Billboard World Digital Songs chart. The music video for Solo was the first by a Korean female soloist to surpass 1 billion views on YouTube. Her 2023 singles You and Me and One of the Girls achieved commercial success worldwide, with You and Me reaching #1 on the Billboard Global Excl. US chart. After establishing her own label Odd Atelier in 2023, Jennie earned her second #1 single in South Korea with Spot, and signed with Columbia Records in 2024. Her debut studio album Ruby 2025 sold 1 million copies worldwide and tied as the highest-ranked album by a Korean solo artist on the UK Albums Chart. It spawned the Billboard Global 200 Top 5 Hits mantra and Like Jennie. The former broke the record for the highest charting song by a Korean female soloist on the UK Singles Chart, while the latter became Jennie's third #1 single in South Korea. Jennie's accolades include for Mama Awards, a Circle Chart Music Award, a Golden Disc Award. She has received a Billboard Women in Music Award, the first Korean soloist to do so. The most followed Korean person on Instagram, Jennie is known for her musical versatility and fashion image, and has been dubbed the Human Chanel, for which she serves as a global ambassador. When Jennie first began to rap, she studied the work of artists she admired and respected, such as Lauryn Hill and TLC. Jennie cited Rihanna as her main musical influence and role model. While working on BlackPink's The Album, Jennie listened to artists such as Lana Del Rey, Billie Eilish, Harry Hudson, H.E.R. and Casey Musgraves. Vocal coach Shin Yumi, who worked with BlackPink for 6 years until their debut, trained Jennie for her solo debut. In an interview, Shin described Jennie as versatile, with talent for singing, rapping, and songwriting. On April 15, 2020, it was announced that Jennie had collaborated with Gentle Monster, a South Korean luxury eyewear brand, to create a collection called Gentle Home, inspired by Jennie's childhood memories. Jennie designed the items herself, including glasses, sunglasses, eyewear chains, and more. In May 2020, Gentle Monster and Jennie opened a dollhouse-themed pop-up store in Gangnam District, Seoul. Jennie has been part of the Cheongdam-Wori Animal Hospital's Protect Our Family campaign since 2018, which helps to protect pets and rescue abandoned dogs. In November 2023, she attended the 18th Breast Cancer Awareness Campaign charity event, a charity gala to raise funds for cancer screening, surgery, and treatment for low-income people. In May 2024, she donated $74,400 United States dollars to the Korean branch of Habitat for Humanity in the name of Blink, BlackPink's fan club, to aid in the construction of an alternative school for the youth. Proceeds from her U.S. shows for the Ruby Experience in March 2025 supported fire recovery efforts and local firefighters in Los Angeles, which was devastated by wildfires in January. The same month, she donated $100 million to the Hope Bridge National Disaster Relief Association to help with wildfire relief in Ulsan, North Gyeongsang Province, and South Gyeongsang Province. Her donation would be used for practical recovery activities such as emergency livelihood support, providing relief supplies, and operating temporary shelters for residents in the affected areas. In May 2025, Jennie donated $100 million to the Seoul National University College of Medicine Development Fund due to her interest in nurturing future doctors. The college planned to use the donation to strengthen its education and research environment and focus on nurturing talented individuals with social empathy. In 2019, Jennie became the face of Hera, a South Korean luxury beauty brand owned by Amore Pacific, choosing Jennie to represent their brand due to her elegant and luxurious image. Hera's first lip advertisement with Jennie, the Red Vibe Lip Series, saw an increase in sales by 5 times compared to Hera's previous lip product. Due to their growing popularity, they were dubbed Jennie's lipsticks. In April 2021, Hera launched their Rougeaholic line on Amazon with Jennie serving as their global ambassador. In April 2022, Jennie promoted Hera's Silky Stay Foundation. On February 2, 2021, Jennie was announced as the face of Chumchurum, a soju brand under Lotte Corporation. On February 10th, Lotte Chilsing released Jennie's promotional material for the brand for the first time. Jennie became the face of soju brand Lotte Sunhari. In September 2022, Jennie became a model for South Korean perfume brand Tamburance. In July 2025, she was named an honorary tour ambassador for Seoul. Jennie began reading fashion magazines and looking at different clothing styles when she was a child. Her interest in fashion came from her mother. Jennie told Elle Indonesia that Chanel was a part of her life from a young age and that she still remembered her first memory involving the fashion house. "I remember when I was little, I looked through my mother's wardrobe and searched for whatever vintage Chanel I could find." For her solo debut, she was involved in planning and styling her own wardrobe and put together more than 20 outfits for the music video of Solo. Jennie recalled in an interview with Billboard that during the music video filming, she considered the way each would fit the song and what she could change, which helped her to learn many new ways of approaching fashion. She stated in an interview with Elle Korea that fashion became an important aspect in her career as she tried to convey the message of her music both orally and visually. Jennie was chosen as the new muse for Chanel Korea Beauty and shot her first pictorial for the brand with Harper's Bazaar Korea in January 2018. She became the ambassador of Chanel Korea in June. A spokesperson for Chanel Korea explained that Jennie's loyalty to the brand, as well as her trendy style, was in line with Chanel's image as they targeted young millennials in addition to their current consumers. Jennie attended the launch of Chanel's new fragrance, Les Eaux de Chanel, in Deauville, France, that same month. She met and interviewed Chanel's in-house perfume creator, Olivier Polge, and shot a pictorial for his new collection of fragrances with Cosmopolitan Korea. In October, Jennie was named Global Ambassador for Chanel. She attended her first Chanel fashion show as a Korean representative during Paris Fashion Week on September 23, 2021. Jennie became the face of Chanel's Coco Niche 2021-22 campaign with photos taken by Dutch photographers Ines and Vinod. In May 2023, Jennie made her Met Gala debut, dressed in the vintage Chanel's Fall 1990 ready-to-wear collection dress. In January 2024, she starred in the Chanel Coco Crush ad campaign. In March 2025, Jennie became the face of the brand Chanel 25 handbag campaign alongside English singer Dua Lipa. Jennie served as one of the fashion editors for Vogue Korea's March 2021 issue 190 according to the magazine. She participated in photo shoots as a planner and helped decide the concept, hair and makeup drafts, and styling. Although Jennie has been noted for her chic and strong image on stage, her offstage personality is characterized by a cute reversal charm. Producer of Village Survival, The 8, described Jennie as really funny. Contrary to the charisma she shows on stage, she is a shy person who has girlish, baby-like charms. Jennie gets more comfortable with each episode. She brings out more fun and enjoys it even more. When asked by Al Korea about being described as icon and unique, Jennie responded that it's really an honor to be an inspiration and iconic being for someone. When you express me with these words, I feel like I need to look nicer and better. Jennie describes herself as quiet and shy, especially around strangers. In an interview with Harper's Bazaar, Jennie remarked, "My personality may be what people think about my personality. But rather than being a person that other people have branded me as, I want to be a good individual who thinks for herself." Jennie, instrumental in BlackPink's fashion image, has been nicknamed Human Gucci and Human Chanel. Her style portfolio ranges from Gucci and Saint Laurent to niche labels such as Marine Serre and Richard Quinn. Jennie's sense of fashion earned her invitations to fashion events such as Saint Laurent's Summer 17 collection launch party by Anthony Vaccarello, Chanel's Mademoiselle Prive exhibition, and Prada's Comics collection launch party. Chanel chose her as house ambassador after noting her rippled commercial impact. The hairpins Jennie wore in a 5x5 partition during her performances of her debut single Solo instantly trended in South Korea and were referred to as Jennie's hairpins. Jennie is known for her brand recognition and marketing power, having placed first on the Korean Business Research Institute's monthly individual girl group members' brand power ranking numerous times. In 2021, she became the first Korean to amass 50 million followers on Instagram. As of December 2023, she remains the most followed Korean individual and the second most followed K-pop idol behind bandmate Lisa, with over 82.5 million followers on the platform. Photos from her social media accounts headline articles, and the items she features become trends. In 2018, Jennie ranked second, receiving 12.2% of votes. In the most favorite idols survey conducted annually by Gallup Korea that involved 1,501 Korean male and female respondents aged 13 to 29, Instagram named Jennie's account the most loved account of 2018 in South Korea based on the number of views and likes received by her Instagram stories and posts that year. On January 16, 2021, her 25th birthday, Jennie started her official YouTube channel. It gained 1 million subscribers in less than 7 hours, becoming the fastest channel to do so on the platform. Within 24 hours, she accumulated over 1.75 million subscribers and became the second most subscribed YouTube user within the timeframe, following Brazilian singer Marília Mendonça. Forbes acknowledged that Jennie has been gaining a new foothold in Korea's beauty trends and cited it as one of the reasons why BlackPink topped Forbes' Korea Power Celebrity in April 2019. She was the most female K-pop idol according to Google's mid-year chart. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.